When Tucker started looking at the Hanna family, it was almost like we were looking in a mirror. Their culture, their values, their family sense is almost identical to ours. I am so excited to be part of this new organization.
I don't think I could ever say that I'll be finished. I mean, for me, body modification and plastic surgery as a portion of that, that's my medium to create with, right? What drives me is the artistry, the creativity, the innovation.
Hello, my goddesses. My name is Linda Clemens, and I welcome you to this quest on the forgotten art of flirting and seduction.
The cybersecurity field, information security, it is traditionally a highly technical domain, but that doesn't mean there's not a place for everyone. It's important that we have people that are focused on cybersecurity, information security from different skill sets than just the highly technical and applied side of cybersecurity.
LONA means Lioness, Ready for Battle. At I Am LONA, our focus is to give you the knowledge, skills, and confidence to be ready in the event you ever need to defend yourself.
It's local shopping at its finest. I'm Nicole Pence-Becker, back here at the Carmel City Center to showcase to you some of the best boutiques in all of Central Indiana.
One of the most common non-surgical questions I get asked, and I hear it almost every day, is, why are you here in Indiana? And so really my answer to that is, you got to remember that the address doesn't make the surgeon. And so in my case, the surgeon makes the address, and patients will, in today's world, travel to where they think the best surgeon is.